Decided it's time to take a break from Netflix? Maybe you want to cut down on streaming expenses or just rethink your subscriptions? So in this quick guide, I'll show you how to cancel your Netflix subscription on your iPhone. So let's get started. First up, on your iPhone, open the Netflix app. Tap any profile. Tap the profile icon in the right side labeled My Netflix. Now tap the 3-line icon in the top right. Select Account. This will open Netflix's account page. Now scroll down from here. You should find a Cancel Membership option. Tap on it. You'll find 3 cancel options here. Change Plan, which refers to a change of subscription package. Pause for a month, which lets you keep your profiles and preferences and lets you take a break from Netflix. Cancel, which completely logs you out. So, select any of them you like. For example, I'll tap on Cancel. Now you can tap Finish Cancellation to confirm your choice. This will officially cancel your subscription. I won't tap the button since I don't want to lose my membership, but that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today. If this video helped you out, then hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Netflix tips. And I'll see you in the next video.